how to change the Samsung Note password on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, swipe up to go into the app screen, and in here, open up Samsung Notes. Next, tap on the menu key on the left hand side, and then tap on the settings icon. Next, we go down and tap on Note Unlock Method. Then tap on Change Password. Now in here you need to put in your Samsung account password. Then we tap on the OK button. And next, after that, you'll be able to put in a new password. So now put in a new password and tap on Continued. Then put in the new password again to confirm and tap on OK. And that's it. Now you can tap on the back key to go back to your Notes home screen. And that is how you can change the password for your Samsung Notes. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.